Welcome to our regular Operation Readiness series. Today's topic we will touch on plan, key contracts and documentation management. There are two big groups one need to consider. The first is, do you have all the information to meet internal needs? This including technical data sheets, forecasted consumptions by month, the whole packing requirement information, and so on. Then on the second, do you have all the information to meet external needs? This including supplier database with distribution location, logistical details to name a few, then commercial term, batch, and so on. These two groups will dictate the robustness of the process in general. If you are interested to learn more, please reach out to us. Thank you.